WebFill AI has just been released, and today I'm going to review 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge AI software. If you're curious about how WebFill AI can transform your digital marketing efforts, stay tuned till the end for insights that could change how you work online. First things first, if you're looking to dive right into the software, you can try WebFill AI completely free through the first link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to give it a go before making any decisions. Now, let's jump into it. WebFill AI is an innovative platform designed to automate and streamline the process of gathering and filling out forms online. If you've ever had to manually fill out multiple online forms, you know how time-consuming it can be. WebFill AI automates this, making your life a lot easier by using advanced AI to autofill forms in seconds. It's a game changer for marketers, business owners, and anyone who has to deal with large-scale data entry. One of the standout features is its seamless integration with various CRM systems. WebFill AI doesn't just fill out forms, it captures data and syncs it directly to your CRM, cutting down on manual data entry. Whether you use HubSpot, Salesforce, or other popular systems, WebFill AI connects easily, saving you hours of work every week. Another critical aspect to mention is its smart error checking ability. WebFill AI doesn't just blindly fill in fields, it checks the accuracy of the data it enters. This means you won't have to worry about missing out on crucial information or inputting wrong details. It ensures that everything is correct before submission, minimizing the risk of costly mistakes. A feature that's incredibly helpful for marketers is WebFill AI's customization options. Whether you're gathering leads, processing customer information, or even entering data for e-commerce transactions, WebFill AI allows you to tailor its form filling process to fit your specific needs. You can adjust it to work with your business's unique workflow, making it an essential tool for improving productivity. The software also boasts impressive scalability. It doesn't matter whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team handling hundreds of client forms, WebFill AI grows with you. Its cloud-based system ensures smooth performance even when you're working with huge amounts of data. The ability to scale efficiently without additional headaches is something every business owner or marketer will appreciate. A big selling point is its time-saving automation. Imagine how much time you could save by automating repetitive tasks like filling out customer details, registering new users, or completing surveys. WebFill AI saves you from spending countless hours on administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business and connecting with your audience. Lastly, WebFill AI takes security seriously. It's built with end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your data remains protected throughout the entire process. Whether you're working with sensitive customer details or important business information, WebFill AI makes sure everything is safe and secure. So, after reviewing WebFill AI, I can confidently say it's a must-try for anyone who's tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks. If you're serious about improving your efficiency, boosting productivity, and reducing errors, this software is definitely worth considering. Don't forget, you can try WebFill AI completely free from the first link in the description below. And if you're still exploring your AI options, make sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description after testing thousands of tools myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.